Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you guys how I usually draw my eyeliner. I have no eyeliner right now, so we're gonna do it together. My style of eyeliner is very simple. I like the puppy eye, doll eye style. My eyes are, how do you call that? Like it goes upwards. Doing that cat eyeline, I realized that it makes me look even fiercer. Usually I like to go downwards, like I said, the puppy eye look. So today I'll be using my current go-to eyeliners from the drugstore. I look for eyeliners that are very easy to draw and very easy to use. Of course, that is long lasting. The one that doesn't smudge and smear, that is the worst when you come out with panda eyes, isn't it? And these are definitely perfect and they're super affordable. They are both from the brand Kate Tokyo. First is the liquid eyeliner, and secondly is the Kate Tokyo's Fit Rare Gel Pencil. For the liquid eyeliner, I personally prefer to use it to wing my eyeline. It's definitely more precise with a very sharp, soft brush tip. But nowadays, I've been really loving the gel pencil as well because this one has such a soft and sharp and small tip. It's actually very easy to use this to wing the eyeline as well. I'm gonna use the liquid eyeline on one side and the gel pencil on the other, so you could have a better view on both the finishes and to see which one you actually prefer for yourself. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys right now and draw my eyeline. Let's zoom in. Firstly, I'm gonna use the gel pencil on this side of my eye. Start with my upper lash line. And because I have very hooded eyes, so when I open my eyes, you can't really see my eyelid. So just very softly, really just drawing a very thin line on my upper lash line. Small strokes. Honestly, a little goes a long way. Just small strokes and a small line, it really could brighten and darken the eyes. Now to draw my wing line, following the shape of my eyelid, I draw it downwards. I want to elongate my eyes, so I draw it downwards and sidewards. But sometimes if you feel like you make a mistake, just use a cotton. There you go. Very simple, right? Because I have very rounded eyes, so I use the eyeliner to elongate my eyes. If you don't like to see like your own skin waterline, you can use it to line it. Sometimes I also use it to line my lower line. Just a little goes a long way. See that? So this Kate's Fit Rare Gel Pencil in particular is very waterproof, sweat-proof, everything proof. And even if I spray water on it, it does not budge at all. Now I'm gonna use the Kate Tokyo liquid eyeliner on this side of my eye so that you could see the difference of the finish. It has such a sharp, but at the same time it has a very soft tip, so it's very smooth to apply as well. And now onto the wing. And there you go. Definitely it's easier to draw a very sharp wing line. Just to show you guys, it is very rub proof. Look at that. It doesn't budge. Alright guys, so this is the finished look of my eyeliner. For an eyeliner video, I thought it would be better for me to show you guys how it wears throughout the day. Maybe show you guys a little bit of what I'm gonna do today, and I will do a wear test. So I'll get back to you guys tonight. So I'm gonna be wearing gel eyeliner on one side and liquid eyeliner on the other side, but honestly you can't really see it unless you look up close, right? I'm gonna go out now. Bye. Where are we going?
We are going to a shopping mall that is nearby.
Yes. Today we're just gonna eat and walk around.
Shopping time! Book festival happening right now. You want to buy some books?
Nah, nada, it's raining.
Look at how many things that we bought. Someone recognized Alicia, so yeah.
From J-Boy TV.
Yeah, we had a great lunch. We bought stuff for our house. Bambi's still there surviving. And we're just
Where's
here.
Bambi?
Bambi's here. Walk a while for a bit and then after that we're gonna head home. Alright guys, see you guys.
See my eyes? Wow, I'm showing them a wear test, okay?
Okay.
Still looking good.
Wear test, you wear and then you test. Wear test. What about me?
Hi guys, welcome back. It's obviously nighttime right now and it's time for me to remove my makeup already. So as you can see, they both still look really good. For the liquid eyeliner, it's easier to remove. You can actually remove it with warm water. Ta-da! It could actually last me the whole day. It doesn't smudge, but at the same time it's so easy to remove. But for the gel pencil, it's definitely great for you guys who have very oily skin. You want something that is very waterproof, sweat proof, everything proof. So you really need a makeup remover to remove everything. Okay, and that's gone too, together with my makeup. I truly hope you guys enjoyed this video and on learning a tip or two on how I apply my eyeliner, and also to introduce to you guys my current favorite eyeliners. Let me know guys, would you prefer the liquid eyeliner from Kate or the gel eyeliner from Kate? If you're interested to check them out, I'll put the links on the description box below. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Good night.